Chat GPT is all the hype right now. Artificial intelligence that is actually...
So there's been an AI breakthrough called Chat GPT. It's an artificial intelligence language model trained by OpenAI.
Everyone has been talking about OpenAI's Chat GPT, and
Chat
for good reason.
GPT, an online AI chatbot that has pretty much taken the digital world by storm.
Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about Chat GPT, a powerful tool that can be used to make money online. First, let's define what Chat GPT is. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, type of artificial intelligence that can generate human-like text. When we combine this technology with chat functionality, we get Chat GPT. Now that you know what Chat GPT is, let's discuss 5 ways you can use it to make money online. Offer chat-based customer service for businesses. With Chat GPT, you can provide quick and efficient customer support to businesses, saving them time and resources. Make money by offering chat-based customer service. You will need to find businesses that are interested in outsourcing their customer support to you. You can start by reaching out to small and medium-sized businesses in your local area. There are several ways to find job opportunities for chat-based customer service for businesses. Job search websites such as Indeed, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor often have listings for customer service and support positions, including those that involve chat-based communication. Many companies that offer chat-based customer service post job listings on their own websites, so check the careers page of companies that interest you. You can also use Fiverr or Upwork to get jobs. All you have to do is create a gig where you tell people that you would like to work for them. After you create it, wait and get lots of reviews to earn even more money. ChatGPT is a language model that can also be used to create high-quality script ideas. You can also use ChatGPT to write YouTube scripts for people. As in the previous example, you go on Fiverr and create a gig. This time, you create video scripts for people. They just have to tell you the topic and how long the video should be. Then you go to ChatGPT and type in, "Create me a video script. Length about 6-8 minutes video. Topic, football and the history of soccer." Then you wait. Correct the content and put it in a PDF file. You send your work to your employer and get an evaluation and money for it. This is how you can earn money. The next method is, use the chatbot to promote and sell products or services. ChatGPT can be used to engage with potential customers and promote your products or services. If you have products or services that you want to sell, you can use ChatGPT to promote them to potential customers. To do this, you can create a chatbot that engages with customers and provides them with information about your products or services. You can use the chatbot to answer questions, provide recommendations, and guide customers through the sales process. To make money through this method, you will need to have a system in place for processing orders and accepting payments from customers. You can use platforms such as PayPal or Stripe to handle transactions, or you can set up your system. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used to make money online in a variety of ways. Whether you're offering customer service, creating chatbot templates, promoting your products or services, teaching, or gathering leads and customer information, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. See you next time.